Nestled within the heart of São Paulo, Casa Terras unfolds across 650 square meters, a symphony of nature and contemporary design. Crafted with a unique blend of reinforced concrete and steel, the residence gracefully adapts to its sloping terrain. The homeowner's vision for a seamless, single-story haven became the guiding principle for the architects. They meticulously divided the space into distinct blocks, each serving a specific purpose. The eastern block houses the private quarters, offering a haven of tranquility. In the center, a light-filled social area unfolds beneath a vast, open-plan structure with a striking wooden-clad metal frame. This volume seamlessly integrates the living room and garage, strategically positioned for optimal privacy. Further down the slope, a dedicated block encompasses the kitchen, service areas, and a gourmet space, forming a U-shaped embrace around a central garden. Glass walkways connect these distinct areas, each step revealing a captivating glimpse of the verdant surroundings. The expansive metal roof above the social area features a mesmerizing interplay of solid and open sections, cradling pockets of lush gardens. Glass walls surround this central space on all sides, except for the facade, fostering a breathtaking visual connection with these flourishing havens. The residence's facade presents a striking contrast, with a near-complete absence of openings, ensuring absolute privacy for the residents. Soft stone clads the entire front wall, its natural beauty harmonizing with the warmth of the wooden roof, creating a cohesive composition of organic materials. The strategic placement of these blocks gives rise to a central garden, the heart that connects all areas of the residence. Steel, wood, and glass weave a tapestry of modern materials throughout, each element meticulously integrated with the surrounding landscape. The living room seamlessly flows into the kitchen and gourmet space through a transparent enclosure with a metal roof and slatted brise-soleil, offering a sense of openness and connection.